my channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick and simple fall eyeshadow look, and we're going to be using a palette we got in a Boxycharm, which is the Beaute Grandiose palette. It's very simple. We use 3 shadows. It's one that's very hard to mess up. So if you're looking for something quick, simple, and easy, then please continue to watch, and don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave if you aren't already. Let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. Right, the first step to the eyeshadow look, of course, is going to be to always prime. I'm just going to be using the Elizabeth Mott eyeshadow primer, Thank Me Later. If you have eye mask on, I'm doing a review on that today as well, and it's just something that I like to do. It helps with fallout as well when you're doing your makeup, so if this is something you do prior to makeup, you may want to give it a try. And doing it how I'm doing today, where you wear that way, you do your eyeshadow, and that way any fallout kind of falls down onto these instead of onto your face. Just a little tip that I do. Alright, and after the primer, the first thing we're going to do is just set down that primer using a translucent or bone color powder. And I'm just going to take the Tarte Avenue Princess and use the lightest shade here just to set down the primer in the crease. For today's eyeshadow look, we're going to use the Beaute, I believe is how you say it, the Grandiose palette. I got this in a Boxycharm a while back, and the colors in here are perfect for fall, as you'll see. And I'm going to take the shade Patchouli, lightest shade in the palette here, and put that as our first transition color. I just want to use a large fluffy brush for this. So in and above the crease. Think about the masking there. It gives you a nice spot if you want to kind of help with, you know, the line here on the outer portion. For our next shade, lower in the crease, we're going to take Cinnamon, and we're just taking a smaller blending brush. It's a little powdery, so be sure to knock off the excess. Wiper motions back and forth, and then I like to go in circular motions just to blend. Blend, blend, blend until it gets to how you like it to look. For our lid shade, we're going to take Myrtle, which is right beside Cinnamon. And for that, we're just going to take a flat shader brush. Packing that all over the entire lid. Top eyelid done. I'm going to go ahead and do my face makeup, and then we'll come back and do the bottom lash line. Now we're going to go ahead and do the lower lash line, and we're going to go in with cinnamon. I'm going to take that on a pencil brush and just buff that across the entire lower lash line. Now I like to connect it to the edge here where we have for our top eyeshadow, just so it looks more seamless. Blending brush and take that first shade we used, Patchouli, and just use that to further blend the lower lash line. Lightest shimmer shade here, Jasmine, and put that as our inner corner highlight. A fluffy brush with no additional product on it, and just blend over the top here to make sure everything is good and blended. I'm going to go ahead and put on some mascara and black eyeliner in the waterline, and I'll be right back. As I'm back, and here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy fall tutorial. It is just now at the fall weather here where I'm at. Today it's going to be about 64 degrees, which in my eyes is the perfect temperature. I love the higher 60s, low 70s, fall, spring weather. I'm so excited. I was over the 90s and the summertime heat. So this is my favorite time of year, so I am super excited about that, and super excited about the fall time, more dark orange, burgundy, maroon, olivey type tones that we all get into at this time of year. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe before you leave if you haven't already, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.